Hey everybody, welcome back to Carried Away Travels. Now today I'm going to finish up something that I actually started back in, I think it was June, and that is my best products of 2023. So this is part two, and this video, is going to talk about a few of the products that I found during the year 2023 that I just thought were awesome. They either made traveling more comfortable or convenient, or I just loved having them in my life while we were on adventures. And so this is once again part two of what I will be sharing with you today. If you haven't seen part one, make sure you go back and watch that because there was some really great stuff in part one. But I'm very excited to show you the rest of these products and accessories that I think would make your life traveling a lot better as well. In addition to this video, I'm also going to have a full written blog post on my Carried Away Travels blog if you want to check that out as well and just get a little bit more information about any of these products. I will also have all the links to these products in that post, but I'll be sure to include them down below in the YouTube caption if you want to check out any of them and get them for yourself. And just a really quick disclaimer, some of these products do have affiliate links with them, which means that if you use the link I provide to buy this product, I will get a small commission, but it doesn't cost you anything. In a lot of cases, there will be a discount code, so you can actually save a little bit versus buying it straight from the site by yourself. It's just a great way to support the blog, and the affiliate code is not why this product is there. I have the affiliate code because I like the product and I want to share it. And again, this is just an easy way you can help support the blog. So rest assured, I have tried and loved all of these products, but I want to be upfront about what happens if you do make a purchase based on my recommendation. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I will be sure to get back to you. And with that, let's take a look at the rest of my favorite travel accessories from 2023. All right, so this first product is for all of you traveling dog parents out there, anyone who likes to take their dog with them on epic hikes or vacations and such, but doesn't like the consequences of your dog getting his stuff wet. This is the all-weather adventure harness from Tito's Closet. I've done a couple things with this brand and I absolutely love them. So this harness has a bunch of different attachment points. It actually has three. It's got adjustable straps, and the fabric handles rain and mud and rivers fantastically. Now, I want to show you, this is a brand which shall not be named that I had a different harness for, and this got dirty like one time, and it's stained. Like, I can't get this out. This thing got submerged in the Shenandoah Mountains because Atlas decided to take an impromptu swim, and it's spotless. If anything, it's just a little furry. I was so impressed by how easily this cleaned up. The other thing I want to mention from this brand is this leash. It's made with like rubberized nylon or something like that, and it's got really heavy-duty hardware, and so it is not going to stain or tear. Even if you have like a really strong dog, this is going to stand up to that. It's also set up so you can do hands-free walking or tandem leashes. Like, it's got a few different attachment points, so it's really versatile, and I think it's just a great addition to the harness. You can get the bundle with them both. I think it's on sale for like $60 right now, which I think is a great investment because you're not going to have to replace it and it's going to keep looking good for a really long time. I typically don't spend that much on like dog supplies, but especially after you ruin a few, like, it's just money down the drain. So the higher quality really makes a difference here. Why, hello there. My next product is these sunglasses. These are the KZ Gear floating sunglasses. These are just, I don't know. I feel like this is an essential. These cost like 10 bucks. They're super cute and they float. So if you're whitewater rafting or kayaking or just happen to bend over too far and drop your glasses into a river while you're looking in the water, these will float, and so you can get them back. Well, it's cost effective, it saves annoyances on trips, and also it prevents you from littering in our oceans and rivers. So again, KZ Gear, They have a bunch of different styles. They're 10 bucks and I can get you 15% off your first order. Next up is something for my fellow content creators and solo travelers. If you've ever gone through the struggle of trying to get good photos and videos of yourself when you're alone and you don't really want to ask a stranger to do it for you, you should try one of these face tracking tripods. I got one of these in the fall and I have absolutely loved this. At home for content creation, but also a few times when we've been out, because I was able just to set my phone up and it follows me so I can still get the content I need and not just be standing in one place. It rotates here and this expands to hold your phone. It's got a little remote that goes with it and a little camera down here. This one you can actually adjust to whether you're standing or sitting. I don't know if that's like a common feature, but this one has it. So I got this one off of Amazon for about 30 bucks. I will say it took forever to get here. So, you know, I didn't love that, but I have been very happy with the product since I got it. So I'm not necessarily recommending this specific one, but I have found this type of thing to be a very helpful tool for my travels. So the product from 2023 that I loved the most out of everything else was this pair of Tau sneakers. And you might have seen these featured on my Christmas gift for travelers blog, but I am in love with these shoes, okay? I typically go for like Keds, but these have just been amazing. They are looking a little ragged right now because someone's dog decided to run through a field of red clay and his mother had to chase him through said red clay and she was very angry. So ignore the red stains, but these are amazing shoes. I love them because they go with everything. And by the way, they did clean up very well. Like, I know where the stains are, okay, but the shoelaces, like, you can hardly tell anything happened to them. So I will say they cleaned up beautifully. These are water resistant. And they have arch and metatarsal support, which for me is just a huge factor because I do so much walking when we're traveling, and these just support my knees and my arches beautifully, and I have not had any pain when walking with these shoes or flying with them on a plane. I absolutely love them. So again, these are Taos. This particular pair costs like 150 bucks, and I think it was well worth it. This is a fantastic investment, and I will probably be getting more pairs of these in the future because they have just made such a huge difference in how I feel when I'm going around on adventures. One of my favorite features with any travel product is versatility. So if I can use one thing for multiple uses, I really like that in a product. And when it's soft and cozy, it doesn't hurt either. So I really like this wrap that I got from Happy Lux. It is eco-friendly, it's made with sustainable materials, it's super soft and stretchy, it's made in America, and it has UVF 50 protection, so you don't have to worry about harmful sun rays when you're using it, and you can use it as a wrap, a scarf, or a blanket. It is big enough to do all three, but it also doesn't look bulky when you're wearing it as a scarf. I will demonstrate. Voila. All right, so you can wear this through the airport, and then if you get cold on the plane, you can take it off, which I think is just great. Plus, it's just a cute fashion accessory for wherever you are. On top of that, they have this travel pillow. It's made with the same soft and sustainable material. You can take the case off so you can clean it. And this is such a great alternative to those dumb little airline pillows that like just sit in the crook of your neck and don't actually support your head. This is so soft and it's just the right size to snuggle up with and actually like support you on the plane. So I really like this. You can get both of these for like 80 bucks and they're really high quality. Again, multiple uses here, fashion accessory and travel accessory. So again, this is Happy Lux, and I just think this is a really great option if you're on a lot of planes. And last but not least is another brand that was also featured on my holiday gift guide for travelers, but I think they just deserve another shout out here, and that is Wander Trails. This is a new small brand. They are eco-friendly and they have the cutest nature-inspired designs. They do clothes, they do art prints, a little bit of home decor, mugs, and it's all just so cute. I really love the designs. I like that the materials are sustainably sourced and they do actually make each piece as it's ordered, so there's no waste. So that does mean you have to wait a little bit longer to receive your products, but again, they're not throwing away extra products because they, didn't get ordered. I like that. And this is, again, a new small business. And so I just really like their designs. Their stuff is really cozy too. I have been wearing this hoodie nonstop. Um, and I just feel like it really fits with my love for travel. And so I'm the kind of person that likes to wear travel themed clothes all over. Like I have a travel hoodie or sweatshirt on right now. So if that's you, like you like having all those extra accessories, be sure to check out Wander Trails. They're also very reasonably priced, and I just like them as a brand. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found something that will help you with your future travels or just make life more fun. If you have any questions, once again, drop them below, or you can read more about them on my blog at cochranewriting.com. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up before you go, and don't forget to subscribe to Carried Away Travels to get more helpful information like this in the future. Thank you so much, and happy travels.